Helping revolutionize metal cutting one product at a time, the MK Morse company presents another innovation, the Metal Devil Circular Saw. The world's finest MRO metal cutting circular saw and blade combination, designed with a professional in mind. The Metal Devil 7-inch circular saw features a 13-amp motor that runs at 3,800 RPM. The Metal Devil 9-inch circular saw features a 15-amp motor that runs at 2,300 RPM. It is designed with a chip collector that features a sight glass to let you know when it is full. To empty, simply loosen the screw and dump the chips. The chamber roughly collects up to 80% of the chips. The saw features a built-in reference laser and work light. No need for batteries. Once it's plugged in, turn on the laser and work light and you're ready to go. The saw is ergonomically designed with a built-in side handle. The blade guard safely retracts when cutting. The shoe was redesigned so that the gap is smaller where the blade comes out, stopping smaller pieces from jamming and damaging the blade and the saw. To install the blade, you first need to remove the chip collection chamber. Loosen the shoe and adjust the depth to 0. Use the wrench and Allen key provided in the case to loosen the arbor bolt and remove the first flange. Lay the saw on its side. Install the blade from under the shoe while holding the blade guard. Seat the blade flush with the flange. Install the outside flange and tighten the arbor bolt. Replace the chip collection chamber. Run the saw to make sure the blade is properly installed before making a cut. Here are a few tech tips for cutting with a Metal Devil circular saw blade. Always wear safety glasses while cutting. Place the front of the saw on the material and squeeze the trigger lock and pull the trigger to start the saw. Do not engage the saw blade into the material until the saw is running fully at speed. Slowly push the saw into the material so it's not slamming into the teeth of the blade. Once the blade is engaged, apply more feed pressure. Do not twist the saw. Maintain the chip load onto the tooth face and not the edges to prevent premature blade failure. Push the saw all the way through the cut. This will allow the guard to cover the blade and will ensure the cut has completed. Metal Devil blades and saws cut quicker and cleaner using proprietary designs and materials. Metal Devil cuts cooler. Each workpiece is cool to the touch immediately after the cut. Metal Devil cuts faster than traditional methods, and Metal Devil blades cut longer thanks to a unique combination of tungsten carbide and titanium carbide tips brazed and ground into the teeth. Dependable, versatile, and efficient. That's the Morse way. Users across the globe rely on Morse, and you should too.